Hey there, let's be real. Our cars are basically second homes lately, right? Today I'm sharing 5 Amazon finds that'll make your daily drive way smoother. This is the first in a new series, so you'll want to stick around for more. All links are in the description below. Let's jump in. Ever scuff your car's door sills every time you climb in and wish keeping small items organized was easier? These car door entry sill protector stickers solve both. They shield your sills from scratches and help tidy things up, boosting your driving experience. Grab them to make every ride smoother. Tired of cheap paper towels or rough rags leaving streaks and lint all over your car's dashboard, seats, or glass? This car microfiber cleaning cloths pack is our second pick, and it uses super soft, dual-sided microfiber that wipes up crumbs, dust, and spills instantly. No scratches or stray fuzz left behind. They're washable and reusable too, making cleanup a total breeze. Ever worry about people looking into your car or coming back to a burning hot interior after it's been in the sun? This special sunshade fixes both, blocking harsh sunlight to keep your car cool and protecting your privacy at the same time. It's super easy to install, and the price makes it a total no-brainer for your ride. Ugh, park for just 5 minutes. Does your car turn into a sweat lodge and let every passerby snoop at your things? This car side window privacy sunshade is our fourth pick. It fits snugly to block harsh UV rays, cut interior heat, and keep your inside totally private. Okay, number 5. Ever had crumpled receipts, chip crumbs, or a spilled soda leaving gross sticky trails all over your car? This collapsible waterproof car trash bin fixes that big time. It folds flat to save space when not in use, and nothing seeps through its waterproof lining, keeping your ride spotless. So which of these 5 car gadgets was your favorite? Drop it in the comments below. All links are in the description. Give this a like and subscribe because this is just the first video in the series. Thanks for watching.